Hello friends. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make sea and waves in Moho. First, I create a new layer and rename it to wave. I draw a circle from the center of the page with the shape tool. I hold the Shift and Alt buttons at the same time and drag. I select the Select Point tool and click on the split option several times. Now I drag on the shape with the Noise tool to create noise for the circle. I change the location of the points with the Transform tool. I change its color to blue. I activate the stroke and assign it a pale blue color. I make parts of the stroke thicker with the Line Width tool. Do not forget that the origin must be in the center of the circle. I select the Transform tool and place the slider in frame 1. I click on the Reset button to create a point and set the slider to frame 72, then write 360 in the angle section. I click on frame 72 to create another keyframe. If I press the play button, you can see that the rotation is created for the shape. I select both points and right-click and select the linear option. I select the last point and click on the cycle option. If I press the play button, you can see that the shape rotates non-stop. I put the shape at the bottom of the frame and make several copies of it and then move each shape a little further until I reach the end of the frame. In the sequencer section, I move the layers a little so that the movement of the waves is not the same. I select all the layers and put them in a group. I create a particle layer and put the group layer inside the particle layer. I change the particle settings. I select the Rotate tool and change the X-axis. I also activate the Randomize option in the particle settings. You can see that the wave mode is well formed. I take a copy of the particle and drag its layer down. I press the Control button and R to see the result. Now I import a picture of a ship into the program and make it smaller. I create the animation for the ship. I right-click and select Cycle. I press the play button to see the result. I create a rectangle at the bottom and change its color. Thank you for being with me until the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye until the next video.